The Arctic Air AWF25 single-door reach-in freezer. This beautiful upright freezer from Arctic Air is known as their economy freezer. It isn't just made of solid stainless steel. This single door is also painted the most gorgeous shade of gloss white. The perfect eye-pleasing touch as a customer-facing freezer behind the ordering counter, or perhaps placed in your French-themed bakery or cafe. And the white painted steel surface is also fingerprint-free. Arctic Air uses the same high-output fan motor and easy-access bottom-mounted compressor in the AWF25. The built-in easy-to-read digital display electric thermostat lets you know at a glance how the freezer is functioning. Rounding out the features are four 4-inch locking casters and 3 epoxy-coated adjustable and removable shelves. The door locks for safety, or if you need to transport the unit across the kitchen. Half the size and just as powerful, the Arctic Air AWF25 features a 25 cubic foot capacity, stands 78 inches high, 30 inches long, and 29 inches wide. Weighing in at 250 pounds, this 4-amp, 600-watt, 120-volt powerhouse also comes with a 9-foot cord and lives up to its Arctic name, with a varying temperature range between -7 and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1-year parts and labor warranty and the amazing 5-year warranty on the freezer's compressor makes this unique and beautiful commercial reach-in freezer not only a real looker and best single-door upright freezer in terms of performance, but also the best commercial freezer on a budget. Now for the pros. Beautiful fingerprint-free glossy white painted cabinet door. A generous warranty. An economy-sized freezer matches full-sized freezer functionality. Now for a few cons. It has poor insulation. Consumers report smaller cubic foot capacity than advertised, and a high dollar investment.